I got into what is known as the financial services business in about 1990. So this is after 3 years of banking. Really didn't have a lot of knowledge on the insurance side, but learned. And I was affiliated with a group that sold universal life and variable life, and I got my CFP designation over time. So now I'm thinking this is about 1995 or so. I've been practicing about 5 years. Pretty content with how things were going. I was doing very well. I was very grateful. I loved our work and the things that we were doing. I say we just because we always had a team involved. And at some point, I started realizing that the financial plans that I was providing were a huge false sense of peace of mind. And it got to concern me because here I am giving people printed material that I knew I had gone back and changed to make work. And so over the course of time, I just started interviewing other people that had done well with their finances to see what they were doing. And I talked to a whole variety of people, including people that were in the business and older, that had been in the financial services practice for 20, 30 years. I honestly don't know how I got Nelson's book, except that I know it came over email when email was brand new. And I think it came directly from Nelson. I believe that he had found out about some of the work that we were doing. We'd had a somewhat nationwide client base at that point. And so I remember like it was yesterday, and this is probably late 90s, maybe mid 90s, somewhere in there. This book comes over email, gums up the system because email is brand new. Nobody knows what to do with this big file. And at that point, I had converted some from the variable life and the universal life realm to selling whole life, and I had a greater appreciation of it. And I'd started shifting the way that we were doing our financial plans with clients, which means basically I wasn't giving them the financial plan because I knew how wrong they were. And this book comes, I throw it in my briefcase, set it aside to read, pick it up one weekend, and I was just blown away. And I called Nelson on a Saturday and happened to get him. And I said, your book describes what has been in my head in fuzzy terms, but your book is super clear. And I would love to get it to all of our clients. And he said, well, I've kind of been thinking of printing a few. I was going to make a small run. How much do you think I should print? And I said, oh my gosh, thousands. This is so valuable. He went on, and I don't know actually how many he printed that first run, but I guarantee you we bought enough for our entire client base. And it was just a real affirmation of the work that I had started to think was in the right realm for our clients, but really wasn't sure. To fast forward, now I've seen every single one of our clients implement the idea of using whole life as a place to build cash and store wealth. And they not only borrow against it to deal with debt, but they borrow against it for opportunities. And that's been I think, the funnest thing to see over now what's been 12 years or so, is that our clients that use their cash value whole life insurance to pursue opportunities that not only make their cash value of life insurance better, but make the opportunities better.